Next order.
Order number 13, motion. General debate on the proposal to Parliament to consider amending the Constitution and the standing orders.
The mover of this motion, Majority Leader.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. And I beg to reply to the motion on the general debate on the proposal to consider the constitutional amendments and our own standing orders, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, as you did mention, we have indeed interacted with this motion for the better part of this session, and indeed even went ahead to amend the standing orders, and that is why in the last 3 weeks we have been able to have cabinet secretaries in plenary, and this is part of the issues that we were in this particular motion, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I'm also aware, and I had an engagement this morning with the Cabinet Secretary Aisha Jumwa, the former Member of Parliament for Malindi, on the question of the 2/3 gender rule, and I am aware that all our women parliamentarians have been keenly following this debate, and indeed following the work that is also going on elsewhere in the executive and with parts of our civil society. And I did attend a forum by our women parliamentarians at Radisson Blue Hotel sometime last month but one, Honorable Speaker, on this question of the 2/3 gender rule. Therefore, Honorable Speaker, as much as we did even establish the ad hoc committee, I want to plead with those members under the chairmanship of Honorable Chepkonga and the other leaders in the Senate to ensure that you now embark on the real work of ensuring that the 2/3 gender rule question is now resolved and constitutionally, and also the issue of creation of the office of the leader of official opposition. And indeed, Honorable Speaker, as the Honorable John Buddy has said, as you have said, it is time that we got good and courageous leadership in the House, leadership that will not abrogate their responsibilities by walking out of the House. We need leaders who will be able to lead the opposition and the minority side, whether they are outside the House or inside the House. And that's why I strongly support this proposal to create the office of the leader of official opposition, Honorable Speaker, because this gives the country an opportunity to hear those alternative policies and ideas that could be alternatives to the government that is in office at any particular time. And Honorable Speaker, as many members said when they were contributing to this debate, the office of the leader of official opposition is not being created for any particular individual. This is an office that is being created for posterity, to deepen and enhance our democracy, Honorable Speaker. And I want to appeal to the ad hoc committee members here and those in the Senate to indeed work with utmost speed to ensure that we get constitutional amendment bills before the House when we resume for the next session of this, the next part of this session, Honorable Speaker, of this 13th Assembly, Honorable Speaker.